We offer distributors two strategies that will improve free cash flow and reduce inventory. One involves an immediate reduction of inventory from your balance sheet, and the other is a go-forward strategy for upcoming purchases of inventory for your customers. The first strategy involves Partstat purchasing inventory from your balance sheet while in compliance with all SOX guidelines. This creates an immediate improvement of free cash flow at no cost to our distributor customers. The second strategy is to preserve operating cash on a go-forward basis by partnering with Partstat to purchase all end-of-life inventory on your customer's behalf before the last time buy date. Partstat will then provide your OEM customers an extended term to take delivery and pay for the inventory. In fact, we can support platforms and schedules of up to 20 years while saving your OEM customers up to 50% on annual inventory carrying cost. These strategies have proven to improve free cash flow and reduce inventory for our distributor customers and allows them to deploy those dollars into projects that will improve their return on investment instead of purchasing multiple years of inventory. If you're a distributor and are limited on how long you can hold inventory for your customers, then partner with Partstat to offer your customers this unprecedented solution.